Our planet and the universe are in a constant state of flux, always changing, always evolving. As we look to the future, we can predict incredible events that will reshape our world and the cosmos around us. Some of these changes will be dramatic and destructive, while others will be slow and subtle. Join me on a journey through time as we explore the fascinating future of Earth and the universe. We begin our journey right here on Earth, a planet teeming with life, but even our seemingly permanent landmarks are subject to the relentless march of time. Take Niagara Falls, for example. This iconic waterfall, a symbol of nature's power, won't exist forever. Erosion, the same force that carved the falls, will eventually lead to their demise. In about 25,000 years, the Niagara River will have eroded its way back to Lake Erie, leaving behind only a memory of the majestic waterfall. But while one natural wonder fades away, another will be born. Deep beneath the Pacific Ocean, volcanic activity is already laying the groundwork for a new Hawaiian island. This island, still nameless and hidden beneath the waves, will rise from the sea in approximately 75,000 years. Volcanic eruptions will build the island's landmass, creating a new paradise in the Pacific. The Earth's journey through time is not without its perils. As our planet orbits the Sun, it encounters a cosmic shooting gallery of asteroids and comets. While most of these space rocks are harmless, some pose a significant threat to life on Earth. Scientists estimate that in about 500,000 years, an asteroid large enough to cause widespread destruction will collide with our planet. The impact of such an asteroid would be devastating, triggering earthquakes, tsunamis, and widespread wildfires. The dust and debris ejected into the atmosphere would block sunlight, plunging the planet into a period of global cooling. While this event is a stark reminder of the dangers lurking in space, it's important to remember that such impacts are relatively rare on a cosmic timescale. Our planet's future is not solely determined by external forces like asteroid impacts. Internal forces deep within the Earth also play a crucial role in shaping our world. Plate tectonics, the engine driving the movement of continents, will continue to reshape our planet's surface. Over millions of years, continents will collide and rift apart, forming new mountain ranges and ocean basins. Our solar system is a dynamic and ever-changing place. Just as Earth undergoes transformations, so too do our celestial neighbors. Take Mars, for example. This red planet, currently ringless, will one day boast a system of rings even more spectacular than Saturn's. In about 50 million years, Mars' moon Phobos will be ripped apart by the planet's gravitational forces. The remnants of Phobos will form a ring system around Mars, a celestial spectacle visible from Earth. Ironically, as Mars gains its rings, Saturn will be losing its own iconic ring system. These rings, composed of ice and rock particles, are slowly being pulled into Saturn by its gravity. In about 100 million years, Saturn's rings will have vanished, leaving behind a planet stripped of its most distinctive feature. The Sun, the star that makes life on Earth possible, is also subject to the relentless march of time. As the Sun continues to burn through its nuclear fuel, it will gradually become hotter and brighter. This increase in solar radiation will have a profound impact on our planet. In about 800 million years, the Sun's increasing luminosity will raise Earth's surface temperature to uninhabitable levels. Oceans will evaporate, glaciers will melt, and the planet will be transformed into a scorching desert. Life, as we know it, will cease to exist on Earth. However, this is not the end of the story for our Sun. As it exhausts its hydrogen fuel, it will enter a new phase of its life cycle. The Sun, although seemingly eternal, has a finite lifespan. In about 5 billion years, it will swell into a red giant, engulfing the inner planets, including Earth. This event will mark the end of our solar system as we know it. But even as our own star nears its demise, the universe continues to evolve on an even grander scale. Galaxies, vast collections of stars, are also in motion. The Milky Way, our home galaxy, is on a collision course with our nearest neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. In about 5 billion years, these two galactic giants will collide in a spectacular display of cosmic fireworks. This collision won't be a catastrophic event like the asteroid impact we discussed earlier. Instead, it will be a slow and drawn-out process lasting billions of years. Stars will be thrown out of their orbits, new stars will be born, and the two galaxies will eventually merge to form a single, giant, elliptical galaxy. The universe, vast and seemingly eternal, also faces its own ultimate fate. As stars exhaust their fuel and die, they leave behind remnants, white dwarfs, neutron stars, and black holes. Over trillions of years, these stellar remnants will dominate the universe. The universe will continue to expand and cool, becoming a dark and desolate place. Black holes, regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape, will become the dominant force in the universe. They will consume any remaining matter, growing larger and more powerful. Eventually, even black holes will evaporate through a process known as Hawking radiation, leaving behind only a faint whisper of energy. The universe will then enter a state of maximum entropy, where everything is evenly distributed and no more work can be done. This is the end of the universe as we know it, a state of eternal darkness and silence. Or is it? Some physicists believe that this might not be the end, but rather a new beginning. Perhaps the universe operates in cycles, with the Big Bang being just one iteration in an endless series of expansions and contractions. The idea of a cyclical universe, while still speculative, offers a glimmer of hope in the face of the universe's ultimate demise. Perhaps just as our universe emerged from the ashes of a previous one, a new Big Bang will occur, sparking the birth of a new universe filled with new possibilities. Only time and further scientific exploration will tell what the ultimate fate of our universe holds.